Ever feel like maintaining muscle after 50 is an uphill battle? You're not alone, and if you've been told that protein powders are your only option, it's time to rethink everything. Sure, supplements have their place, but the truth is, the best muscle-building tools are right in your kitchen: whole, nutrient-rich foods. Here's why this matters. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle, a condition called sarcopenia. But this isn't inevitable. With the right foods, you can fuel your body, stay strong, and maintain your independence. And guess what? These aren't exotic or hard-to-find foods. They're simple, wholesome options packed with the nutrients your muscles need. Today, I'm sharing 12 of the most effective foods to help you maintain and even build muscle after 50. If you're ready to ditch the quick fixes and focus on real, sustainable health, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Importance of nutrition in muscle building. Building and maintaining muscle isn't just about hitting the gym, it starts with what's on your plate. As you age, nutrition becomes even more critical in supporting muscle health, especially since your body's ability to build and maintain muscle naturally declines. Protein is the star player here. After 50, your body requires more protein to stimulate muscle growth and repair compared to when you were younger. Foods rich in complete proteins, those containing all essential amino acids, are vital because they directly support muscle synthesis. But muscle building isn't just about protein. Carbohydrates are your body's primary energy source and fuel your workouts and recovery. They also spare protein, ensuring it's used for muscle repair rather than energy. Healthy fats play a role too, supporting hormone production, including testosterone, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass. Recovery is just as crucial as strength training. The right nutrition replenishes glycogen stores, repairs muscle fibers, and reduces inflammation. Simply put, balanced, nutrient-dense meals are the foundation of strong, healthy muscles at any age. Number 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete and affordable sources of protein, making them a top choice for muscle building. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, along with all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle repair and growth. These amino acids are critical for rebuilding muscle tissues, especially after workouts. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12, which plays a key role in converting food into energy, and choline, which supports muscle function and brain health. A unique aspect of eggs is their cholesterol content. Many people worry about cholesterol, but studies have shown that for most individuals, dietary cholesterol in eggs does not negatively impact heart health. In fact, cholesterol is vital for producing hormones like testosterone, which is essential for maintaining and building muscle. Eggs are incredibly versatile and easy to include in any meal. They can be scrambled, boiled, poached, or added to salads and stir-fries. For those looking to maximize their muscle-building potential, eggs are an excellent option for breakfast or a post-workout snack. Pair them with whole grain toast or avocado for a balanced meal that supports both muscle repair and overall health. Number 2. Lean beef. Lean beef is a nutritional powerhouse, especially for those focused on building and maintaining muscle mass. It provides a high dose of quality protein, with about 25 grams per 3-ounce serving, alongside essential amino acids that are key for muscle repair and growth. Beef also contains creatine, a naturally occurring compound that enhances muscle performance and strength, making it particularly beneficial for those engaging in resistance training. Iron is another standout nutrient in lean beef, vital for transporting oxygen to muscles and preventing fatigue during workouts. Additionally, lean beef is rich in B vitamins like niacin and B12, which support energy metabolism and recovery. For an added benefit, Grass-fed beef contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, a unique fat that has been shown to reduce body fat and support lean muscle development. Preparing lean beef is simple. It can be grilled, roasted, or stir-fried with vegetables for a nutrient-packed meal. Pair it with complex carbohydrates like quinoa or brown rice to create a balanced dish that provides sustained energy and muscle-building benefits. With its impressive nutritional profile, lean beef is a delicious and satisfying way to support your fitness goals. Number 3. Chicken breasts. Chicken breasts are a staple in the fitness and muscle-building world for good reason. They are an excellent source of lean protein, delivering around 26 grams per 3-ounce serving, while being low in fat and calories. This makes them perfect for those who want to build muscle without gaining excess fat. Chicken is also rich in vitamins like B6 and niacin, which help your body metabolize energy from food and support muscle recovery. Its high protein content helps repair muscle tissue after exercise, making it a must-have in any post-workout meal. Beyond its nutritional value, chicken breasts are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in countless ways: grilled, baked, stir-fried, or even shredded for salads and wraps. For meal prep enthusiasts, chicken breasts are a convenient option. Cooking a batch in advance ensures you always have a quick, healthy protein source on hand. Pair them with roasted vegetables and a serving of quinoa or brown rice for a balanced meal that supports your muscle-building efforts. With its nutrient density and versatility, chicken breast remains a reliable choice for anyone looking to improve strength and maintain a lean physique. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a superstar when it comes to building and maintaining muscle. A 3-ounce serving provides around 22 grams of high-quality protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. But what truly sets salmon apart are its omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA. These healthy fats not only support heart and brain health, but also play a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis. They reduce inflammation in muscles after exercise, promoting faster recovery and less soreness. Salmon is also a great source of selenium, vitamin D, and B vitamins, which boost energy metabolism and overall strength. Vitamin D is especially important for maintaining healthy bones and muscles as you age. Regularly including salmon in your diet can help enhance your body's anabolic response to resistance training, making it easier to build and maintain muscle. Salmon is versatile and easy to prepare. You can bake, grill, or pan-sear it, and it pairs beautifully with a variety of sides like roasted vegetables, quinoa, or a leafy green salad. Including salmon in your diet at least twice a week not only supports muscle health, but also provides numerous other health benefits, making it a must-have for those over 50. Number 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is one of the most underrated foods for muscle building. It's particularly rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady release of amino acids into the bloodstream. This makes it an ideal choice for preventing muscle breakdown during long periods without food, such as overnight. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese contains about 28 grams of protein, along with essential nutrients like calcium and B vitamins. Calcium is vital for muscle contractions and bone health, while B vitamins help convert food into usable energy. Cottage cheese also offers versatility. It can be eaten on its own or paired with fruit for a sweet snack, or mixed with herbs and spices for a savory dish. It's a great addition to smoothies, salads, or even baked goods. For those seeking a bedtime snack to fuel overnight muscle repair, cottage cheese is one of the best options available. Including cottage cheese in your diet ensures your muscles receive the nutrients they need for recovery and growth, making it a valuable addition to any muscle-focused eating plan. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a muscle-building powerhouse, delivering an impressive mix of nutrients in one creamy, delicious package. It's rich in protein, with about 20 grams per serving, and provides a blend of both whey and casein proteins. Whey is fast-digesting, making it ideal for post-workout recovery, while casein is slow-digesting, providing prolonged support for muscle repair. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, magnesium, and probiotics, which are essential for muscle function, recovery, and gut health. The magnesium helps with muscle contractions and prevents cramps, while the probiotics support digestion, ensuring your body absorbs all the nutrients it needs. What makes Greek yogurt so appealing is its versatility. It can be enjoyed on its own, with fresh berries and granola for added fiber and carbs, or blended into smoothies for a quick and convenient meal. You can even use it as a base for dressings or sauces. With its nutrient density and versatility, Greek yogurt is a must-have for those looking to build and maintain muscle. Number 7. Milk. Milk has long been celebrated as a complete food, and it remains a valuable addition to any muscle-building diet. It offers a balance of protein, carbs, and fats, making it ideal for recovery and muscle growth. Milk contains both whey and casein proteins, providing a mix of fast and slow-digesting nutrients that fuel muscle repair over time. In addition to its protein content, milk is rich in calcium, vitamin D, and glutamine. Calcium and vitamin D are crucial for maintaining strong bones and proper muscle contractions, while glutamine helps reduce muscle soreness and supports immune health. For those who are lactose intolerant, lactose-free options or fortified plant-based alternatives like almond or soy milk can provide similar benefits. Milk is incredibly versatile. You can drink it on its own, use it in smoothies, or add it to oatmeal for a protein-packed breakfast. Whether consumed as a post-workout drink or part of a balanced meal, milk is a simple yet effective way to support your muscle-building goals. Number 8. Brown rice. Brown rice is an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which are essential for sustaining energy during workouts and aiding muscle recovery. Unlike white rice, brown rice retains its bran and germ layers, providing fiber, magnesium, and B vitamins that support energy metabolism. These nutrients are particularly beneficial for muscle contractions and overall performance during physical activity. Although not as high in protein as other foods, brown rice does offer a small amount of plant-based protein, contributing to its muscle-building properties. The slow-digesting carbs in brown rice ensure that your body has a steady supply of energy, making it ideal for pre-workout meals or as part of a post-workout recovery meal when paired with a lean protein source. Brown rice is incredibly versatile and pairs well with a wide variety of foods. Use it as a base for stir-fries, add it to soups, or serve it alongside chicken, fish, or beans for a balanced and nutritious meal. For muscle-building goals, brown rice provides the sustained energy your body needs to power through workouts and recover effectively. Number 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is a nutritional gem, especially for those looking to build muscle. As a complete protein, it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent plant-based option for muscle repair and growth. In addition to its high protein content, quinoa is rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and fiber. Magnesium is essential for muscle relaxation and preventing cramps, while phosphorus plays a role in energy production and bone health. Quinoa is also a great source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy for workouts and aiding recovery. It's naturally gluten-free, making it a safe choice for those with dietary restrictions. Quinoa's versatility allows it to be used in a variety of dishes. Serve it as a side dish, use it as a base for salads or bowls, or even incorporate it into breakfast recipes like porridge. For muscle-building purposes, Quinoa is a fantastic alternative to traditional grains, offering a nutrient-dense, plant-based way to fuel your body and support your fitness goals. Number 10. Beans. Beans are an affordable, plant-based protein source that supports muscle growth and overall health. Depending on the type, 1 cup of cooked beans provides around 15 grams of protein, along with fiber, iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. These nutrients are vital for energy production, oxygen transport, and muscle repair. Iron, in particular, helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, which is crucial for sustaining endurance and promoting recovery. Beans are also rich in antioxidants and fiber, which aid digestion and reduce inflammation, helping your body recover more effectively after workouts. Black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas are popular options and can be easily incorporated into a variety of meals, from soups and stews to salads and burrito bowls. For vegetarians or anyone looking to cut back on meat, beans are an essential staple for building muscle. They are versatile, nutritious, and cost-effective, making them an excellent addition to any muscle-building diet. Number 11. Peanuts. Peanuts are a calorie-dense, nutrient-packed option for building muscle. They provide a powerful combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates, making them a great snack for energy and recovery. A single ounce of peanuts contains around 7 grams of protein and a good dose of leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. Peanuts are also rich in unsaturated fats, which support heart health and help regulate hormones like testosterone, essential for maintaining muscle mass. Additionally, they're high in magnesium and vitamin E, which support muscle function and reduce inflammation. However, peanuts are calorie-dense, so portion control is essential to prevent overconsumption. A small handful or a tablespoon of peanut butter can be a great addition to smoothies, oatmeal, or even post-workout snacks. For those looking to gain muscle, peanuts provide a convenient and tasty way to pack in extra calories and nutrients. Number 12. Spinach. Spinach might not be the first food you think of for building muscle, but it's packed with nutrients that support muscle health and recovery. It's rich in glutamine, an amino acid that aids in protein synthesis, and iron, which helps transport oxygen to your muscles, boosting endurance and energy. Spinach also contains calcium, which supports muscle contractions, and magnesium, which prevents cramping. What makes spinach particularly valuable is its high content of antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and speed up recovery after workouts. Spinach is also versatile and easy to include in your diet. Add it to smoothies, toss it into salads, or sauté it as a side dish. It works well in omelets, soups, or as a base for a variety of meals. Including spinach in your diet ensures that your muscles get the nutrients they need to perform and recover, making it a powerful addition to your muscle-building routine. Building and maintaining muscle after 50 doesn't have to be complicated. As we've seen, the key lies in choosing the right whole foods that naturally fuel your body and support muscle growth. From high-protein staples like eggs, lean beef, and chicken breasts to plant-based powerhouses like quinoa, beans, and spinach, each of these 12 foods plays a unique role in helping you stay strong, active, and healthy. Nutrition is just as important as exercise when it comes to muscle building, and by incorporating these nutrient-dense options into your meals, you can improve recovery, enhance performance, and maintain your independence as you age. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite muscle-building food? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on staying healthy and active at any age. Here's to fueling your strength, one bite at a time.